Today I am making native rice. Native rice is very delicious, and to cook native rice you need native ingredients. That's why it's called native rice. Very beautiful, very tasty. For native rice you would need uziza leaf, blended pepper, tomato paste, jollof rice spice, salt, iru, which is locust beans, onions, bread oil and groundnut oil mix, seasoning, and rice. First, you add groundnut oil and bread oil mix into the pot. Then we add onions and let it sizzle for some time. Next, we're going to add the blended pepper for taste because it's native rice. It needs to have enough blended pepper. Then we're going to add tomato paste. My family always cooks native rice once in 2 weeks, and it is very nice, especially on Sunday in the afternoon after you come back from church, and then you just take this native rice with zobo. Is the best. You need to try this recipe out. Next, we're going to add iru, which is also known as locust beans, into the stewish mixture. Then we're going to add the chicken stock, which is just seasoned chicken. Then you boil it, then the water that comes out, that's the chicken stock. We add it into the pot, add a little water, and mix everything up together. When it starts to boil, we're going to add seasoning. We're going to add salt just for taste. You can add it. We're also adding the jollof rice spice here. Now we're going to add the rice. This rice that I'm using is already parboiled rice. That's why I didn't boil the rice in the video, because the one that we bought is already parboiled. So we're just going to add it here and let it cook. If you think you still want to add extra spice to your native rice, this is the best time to add it. Add it, taste it, balance your seasoning up, and let the rice to cook. Now I'm going to add the fried chopped goat meat into the rice. This is already cooked, so we're just going to add it now. Guys, did you notice that I used foil paper to wrap the pot cover? I did it so that the rice won't get soggy. If you noticed, I used just a little amount of water to cook this rice. And when I use the foil to wrap the pot cover, the steam will get trapped inside the pot and make the rice cooked and not get soggy with too much water. Now that the rice is fully cooked, is very beautiful, we're going to add the uziza leaf on top and just mix it in so well, so nicely. Oh my god, see how beautiful it looks. You literally got to try this recipe out. is just perfect. Look at how lovely it looks. Oh my god, the chicken is there, the leaves are there, everything is just perfect. And this is how to make your native rice.